Right, it's holographic advertising. Basically, Crip Media is all about holographic advertising. We are canvassing three products over here: HoloVision, DigiPlay, and HoloMist. The entire idea about all these three products are that we are trying to infuse and integrate excellent creative and innovation put together and creating a hologram for the clients. This kind of a technology is not just new, it's also at the same time brought about at a time where we are looking at a market which is increasing by 10% every year. So digital advertising, which is not, we just 1% or 2% if you compare Indian markets, Indian advertising markets to the global scenario, we are nowhere in the run. But now we are trying to change the game, we are trying to get innovative products, and we are trying to encompass our creative vision and paint it on our products so that we can benefit from it at the same time and give the best of our creative to the clients as well.
Okay, how did you got this idea? This is the very first time. Please make it little informative. This is the very first time. Is it true? It's happening very first time in India.
In India, yes, definitely. In the last 6 to 8 months, we've already worked with the biggest of brands. We worked with Sun Pharma, Blackberries Apparels, Samsung. We've also worked with Future Generali. We worked with Viacom 18. We've handled the Kids Choice Awards. The core reason why people have started trusting us, why people have started putting their money behind our products is because they know that this idea is novel. It was not being done in India ever. In fact, DigiPlay, which is one of our product which we are trying to now break through the rigmarole of how this entire product is going to get canvassed in our Indian scenario, we are still trying to put it across because digital OOH is not being done at all. Now, creating store facades and animating store facade is something that is very, very natural, and when we travel abroad, we see this advertisement. We all of us are avid travelers and we see this advertisement. So our entire idea was, why not bring some technology to India? And when we have the best of minds as far as creative is concerned, Prashant here is the best person that I could ever think of as far as creative is concerned, and which is why we thought we could integrate it together and bring something on the platform for our clients to take a bite of and have this branded thing going on forever.
Okay, who will be your targeted audience, Prashant? And if I talk about Bollywood entertainment industry, there's another target where they spend so much of in marketing, digital promotion. Are you eyeing Bollywood too?
Yeah, we are trying to get HoloMist incorporated with the Bollywood theme that we are talking about. So creative, as far as it is concerned, this has never been used actually with any of the industries. So this is the first time that we are introducing something like this at this bigger level. So yeah, we are targeting Bollywood,
and not just Bollywood. In fact, even international companies like Disney, we've not worked with them yet, but we have already proposed ideas like HoloMist and HoloVision to them. They've really liked it, and going forward, they definitely want to do it. We've done a few demos as well within their office premises, and they've really liked it. So while we talk of DC, we are also looking at other big wigs. We're looking at Balaji already. And there are many people who have already trusted. They've gone for the demos. They are all ready with big orders. The next commercial year for us is very, very critical and important. The best thing that we could do at this point in time is get our distributors on board. Because finally we are just two hands, right? And no matter how big a team we have, we need people who trust in us. And we also need people who we trust in. And the only thing that is possible is through our distributors. So this entire distributor convention is so that we can reach the remotest of possibility. Not only we standardize the brand of our product, but also the price of the product and the quality at the same time.
So personally, you have worked with the Viacom 18. Can you tell us about regarding experience working with Viacom 18?
Well, it was excellent. It was Kids Choice Awards, the biggest function that Nickelodeon ever has. And for this function, the only novel thing that they wanted to do is the first thing that came to their mind was something to do with holograms. Coincidentally, it was only 3 months that our company existed, and we proposed the idea to them. They liked it. Prashant created an excellent SpongeBob animation, and we incorporated it with their Nickelodeon logo, and the entire event was successful. We had people taking selfies along with the hologram. In fact, it was the first one. It was done in Dome, which is at Worli, NCPA, and which is why the entire buzz was a lot. It was covered in the entire bite of the video as well.
Also, what would be your next strategy, and who are the people already there as a client on board for you in your company?
On board, like I said, we've got Future Generali, Samsung with us. We're working towards Disney as well. We've got Chiragdin shirts. We've got Nickelodeon, like I mentioned. Also, we are in talking terms with Cookie Man. We've also broken through the biggest beer pub, the liquor pub, which is Socials. Socials has just come up with a baby project in no apparel, and it's called Flea Bazaar Cafe. And now they are going pan India with 40 devices in 40 different centers. At the same time, we are also working with Lightbite Foods. We are getting a proposal from them as well. So there are many people, there are restaurateurs who are wanting to join hands, there are retail chains who want to join hands, because from an ROI perspective, this is a very cheap product for them to have vis-a-vis a Flex, vis-a-vis an LED TV, and which is why they are entrusting us with the task.
So how do we reach out?
Something really out of the box. Is there something you would do with the political parties who are there in Brazil? I agree.
No, we've got proposals.
Just giving you a smile, but it's happening.
I understand
They do
completely.
Go for such thing, whether it's Modi campaign, Abki Baar Modi Sarkar, everyone knows how it happened. It happened through marketing, through digital promotion.
Well, you want to answer that? We've kept ourselves away from it for the simple fact that our products are not, capable of giving the same effect in sunlight. And any political rally has to be done in daytime, right? There are no night rallies as such.
There are possibilities where neon, something, as we have seen neon.
Well, we haven't approached anyone, neither will we. But if we are approached by someone and if it fits our bill, then we will definitely be open to do it.
Thank you.
How do you reach out to your customer? Can you tell us about regarding?
So the strategy right now, the marketing strategy is obviously direct. Being in the industry for about 15 years now, all of us are, a decade and a half in the industry already. And thanks to that, we've got the right kind of corporate contacts. So we go and look at these contacts directly, get to the marketing head, propose the idea to them, give them a demo, and at the very first outset that they have for a launch, they choose us.
Any brand ambassador you have in
Are you in process?
in process, because the brand ambassador is
Exactly.
important.
Very true.
That is why we are asking a brand ambassador.
No, we haven't got anyone as such, but I think our clients will be our biggest brand ambassadors. So the testimonials that we have got from our clients are outstanding. Once the project is done, they have given us videos, they have given us feedback, which is amazing. We have already put it on our website as well, and they are our biggest client ambassadors.
How you are getting a
सर
tax benefit?
फॉलोमिस्ट की बात करें और विश्वसनीयता की बात करें, बड़ा मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट विषय है। इसको लेके कैसे आपने तैयारियां की हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस विषय पे, विश्वसनीयता को लेके?
How trustworthy is it?
तैयारी मतलब अगर मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखें तो हॉलोमिस्ट जनरली एक ऐसा नॉवल प्रोडक्ट है जो मैरिजेस और ऐसे जो फंक्शंस हैं वो फंक्शंस के लिए है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर उसको ब्रांडिंग के लिए देखा जाए तो वो ब्रांडिंग के लिए इतना एडवाइजेबल नहीं होता क्योंकि उसमें आप वीडियोज इतने अच्छे से प्ले नहीं कर सकते। बट जब आप इमेजेस की बात करो, जैसे स्टेशनरी इमेजेस हो गए, वो चीज़ जो है वो हॉलोमिस्ट को एक अलग मतलब एक पर्सपेक्टिव देती है। तो वहाँ
It's more of an engagement thing. Brand launches के लिए, when a customer is walking through the entire product, he's already owned the product. So there is no way that he will forget about it. And at the same time, kids enjoy it a lot because you are actually getting to pass through something. It's actually just dry fog, right? But when you have a creative on it and the creative's created in a holographic manner, then the ownership of the brand is very good. Of course, the high projecting projectors that we use, the high lumens projector that we use, it completely accentuates the entire effect and makes it look really live.
तो आम लोग कैसे आप तक पहुंच पाए और क्या कुछ उसका जरिया है? कैसे?
Website www.cripmedia.com, that is our website. Besides that, we are always available through our distributor network as well. So we have our phone number, Facebook channel, our Twitter handle, and our YouTube channel as well. So just go like, subscribe, and share it as much as you can.
The last one, I'll continue with the previous question. Do you think that though I agree, you already have a big list of clients who are bigger in the industry? But don't you think there's a need of somebody who can come down from Bollywood and be a brand ambassador of your company? You get more visibility if someone comes.
So I personally believe that if we are looking for visibility, our product is not doing its job well. Till the time our product is doing well, I don't think we need visibility and take the onus on somebody else and use their credibility to market ourselves. We being 15 years in the industry, we've got the right contacts and we believe that we've got the right products. Having said that, we don't want anybody else to take care of that and promote it. So we are not selling the regular things.
So how you get the tax benefit from the government? Very important question because it's the Make in India initiative you're saying. Tax benefit how you are getting from the government? It is a friendly or it is unfriendly?
No, it's not. When you talk about Make in India, we have already applied for it. We are an MSME registered company already. We are the technology behind it, the creative behind it, the installation behind it, the execution of it is all made in India, right? The hardware we have obviously imported, right? But we have also put it into manufacturing at the same time. So as far as the taxation is concerned, we are too naive right now in a very nascent stage to get the benefit of Make in India. But obviously we are on the right track, and with time to come, we'll look into that as well.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just
I'm the managing director and CEO of the company, and I take care of sales, operations, branding, and marketing verticals.
Hi, my name is Prashant Pandey. I take care of the creative part and the installation part of all the projects.
Yogesh Mange, I'm the CFO of the company and I take all the accounting and taxation part of the company.
Hi, I'm Rahul Vijan. I am the CTO of the company and basically I handle all the technical aspects of our products.
सर आपको वापस एक बार बोलिएगा रोल होने के बाद स्टार्ट सर
This is Yogesh Mange. I take care of the taxation and the costing part of the company.
थैंक यू